Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Okay, I'm going to pair up my FOB to the car. Just got these, and hopefully there's a battery. I didn't check to see if the battery. I'm assuming there's a battery in here. So let's pair it up and see what happens. I got two of them, so I gotta pair both of them. So supposed to hold down the unlock, turn the key on, then off, then on, then off. Okay, at this time what you want to do is hold the lock and unlock key down at the same time until you hear the car pair up. Once this one is done, then you immediately have to do the next one. You have to do both of them at the same time. Okay. Do the next one. Okay. Then to turn it off, the programming, you turn the key on and you turn it off. And now it should work now. There you go. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and of course hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!